Dear students, welcome to my channel, Dr. V.R. Phudli, Professor of Management and Economics. In this video, I am dealing with techniques of capital budgeting, including payback period method, average rate of return method, net present value method, internal rate of return method, and profitability index method. Techniques of capital budgeting. In capital budgeting, whether an asset or an action or a project is acceptable or not depends upon net worth of it. Net worth is the difference of benefits and costs. For evaluating net worth, techniques of capital budgeting are used. They are of two types, namely traditional techniques and discounted cash flow techniques. Dear students, I had explained techniques of capital budgeting with the help of the figure. We can observe that techniques of capital budgeting can be divided into two types. One, traditional or non-discounting techniques. Two, modern or time-adjusted or discounted cash flow techniques, which are also shortly known as DCF techniques. Traditional or non-discounting techniques include 1. Payback period method, 2. Average rate of return, which is shortly known as ARR method. Modern or DCF techniques are of three types. 1. Net present value method, shortly known as NPV. Internal rate of return method, shortly known as IRR. Profitability index or benefit cost ratio method, shortly known as PI method. Let us examine techniques of capital budgeting one after the other. Traditional techniques. These techniques do not take time value of money into consideration. The first traditional technique is payback period method. Payback period is the exact amount of time required for a firm to recover its initial investment. In other words, it is the period in which firm's cash inflows equal to its investment or cash outflow. This is the simplest and widely used method. When cash inflows are equal or cash inflows are in the form of annuity, then we can calculate payback period by using the formula payback period is equal to investment by constant annual cash inflow, which is known as annuity. When cash inflows are not equal, payback period is calculated by the process of cumulating cash inflows till the time when cumulative cash inflows become equal to the original investment. Selection criteria in payback period method. The project having lowest payback period should be selected. The second traditional technique of capital budgeting is average rate of return, which is shortly known as ARR. This is also known as accounting rate of return method. There is no unanimity regarding its formula. Different teachers use different formulas. We can take one The most common method of calculating ARR is taken here, where ARR is equal to average annual profits after taxes by average investment over lifetime of the project into 100. The numerator, average annual profits after taxes, can be calculated by using the formula average annual profits after taxes is equal to sum of the cash inflows minus investment divided by life of the project. This formula is used when depreciation is not given. Denominator, average investment is equal to half into investment. The selection criteria that is to be adopted under average rate of return method is that the project having highest ARR should be selected. Now, let us deal with discounted cash flow or modern techniques of capital budgeting. These techniques take time value of money into consideration. The first modern technique is net present value method, which is shortly known as NPV. Net present value is the difference between present value of all cash inflows and present value of cash outflows. NPV may also be described as summation of the present value of cash inflows minus present value of cash outflows. Here I have given formula for NPV. NPV is equal to summation of t taking 1 to n CFT by 1 plus k whole power t minus CO naught, where CFT is cash inflow in year t, CO naught is cash outflow or investment, K is discount rate or cost of capital, T is time period, N is life of the project or mission. When salvage value and net working capital requirements are given, the NPV formula can be elaborated as NPV is equal to summation T taking 1 to n CFT by 1 plus k whole power t plus Sn plus Wn by 1 plus k whole power n minus CO naught. The selection criteria that is to be adopted under net present value method is that select the project with positive NPV. If there are many alternatives, select project whose NPV is highest. The next modern technique of capital budgeting is internal rate of return method, which is shortly known as IRR. Internal rate of return is usually the rate of return that a project earns. IRR is defined as the discount rate R, which equates the aggregate present value of the cash inflows to the present value of cash outflows. IRR can be found by solving the equation for R. CO naught is equal to summation of t taking 1 to n CFT by 1 plus R whole power t, where CFT cash inflow in year t, CO naught is cash outflow or investment, R internal rate of return, T time period, N life of project. When salvage value Sn and net working capital Wn are given, IRR can be found by solving the enlarged equation CO naught is equal to summation of t taking 1 to n CFT by 1 plus R whole power t plus Sn plus Wn by 1 plus R whole power n. Selection criteria for internal rate of return method is that select the project with highest IRR. The next popular modern technique of capital budgeting is profitability index method. Profitability index PI is defined as the ratio between present value of all cash inflows and present value of cash outflows. This is also known as benefit cost ratio method. PI is equal to present value of cash inflows divided by present value of cash outflows. That is also defined as summation T is taking 1 to n CFT by 1 plus K whole power T divided by CO naught, where CFT is cash inflow in year T, CO naught is cash outflow or investment, K is discount rate or cost of capital, T is time period, N is life of the project. Selection criteria to be followed for profitability index method is that select the project with PI greater than 1. If there are many alternatives, select project whose PI is highest. Dear students, in this video, I have dealt with techniques of capital budgeting, including payback period method, accounting rate of return or average rate of return method, net present value method, internal rate of return method, and profitability index method. Thank you.